Hello, welcome back. So in today's video I'll be sharing you what all I got from, I got these stuff I think 2 months ago, and some of it I got it pretty recently. So I got stuff from Nykaa, Myntra, Cuffs and Lashes, Amazon and Flipkart too. But I got a couple of things from here and there, but the most amount of stuff that I got was from Nykaa. So I think let us start with that. Okay, that I got is the Shreya X Max why can't I speak today? Okay, so the first thing that I got is the Shreya X Mac collaboration. This is the Lal Ishq edition, and yeah, my best friend gifted this to me as a birthday present, and that was so sweet. Thank you so much, and I'm really excited for this one. And it looks like this, and you get a lipstick and a Fix Plus, and oops, the lipstick the lipstick fell away. So yeah, this is Ruby Poo, and I cannot wait to use this. I was literally waiting so that I filmed this video, and only then I started using these products. So yeah. And the next thing that I got is this Rimmel Volume Mascara, and I've used it a lot of times now. I'm wearing it on my lashes today, and I really enjoy this one. I'm very picky with mascaras, but I'm glad that I like this a lot. Moving on to the next product, it is from Etude House. It is their drawing eyebrow. It has a spoolie on one end and the product is on the other end. It is not a pencil, so you don't have to sharpen it. I really do not enjoy those sharpening wala pencil stuff. I think you waste a lot of product doing that, and plus I get really bored. I don't want to sharpen things all the time. Okay, so with this one I do not face any issues like that, and I have been really enjoying this color as well. It is the dark grey brown. I had one from Miss Claire which was pretty affordable too. It was for 120 rupees something, but the color, they did not have as many colors in it. So the one that I had was brown, and it did not look that great. This one looks really good. The next thing I got, I just randomly buy lotions these days because I've used that Vaseline ka dabba so many times that now I want to try something different. So yeah, I got this V.I. John Woman Saffron Fairness. Why? Let us ignore the fairness part, but it's just a body lotion, milk and almond body lotion, and I have not used this yet. But yeah, winters are almost here. It doesn't feel like winter yet in Mumbai, but I'm sure it will be pretty much winter very soon. The next thing that I got is this MCafe Naked and Raw Coffee Face Serum, and I really wanted a face serum, because I don't know, the one that I've completely used it up. I don't know why, but I've had very good luck with MCaffeine products, and I've really enjoyed using them in the past too, and I hope I would enjoy using this one too. I might do a spread review on this serum. So yeah, pretty excited. The next, I actually got this for free, and it's a full size product, okay, and this one was for 500 and something, the serum, and I got a hand cream which itself costs, how much do you cost? I could not find the price of this on the packaging, but I got a free hand cream from MCaffeine, and I cannot believe they always, they are really generous when they are providing you samples, okay. So I remember when I first tried something from their brand, I got a face mask, and it was a gel face mask, a gel coffee choco wala face mask, and I really enjoyed using it so much. And they gave me a body scrub with it, and that lasted me for a very long time, and yeah, it was pretty good too. And now when I got this serum, they gave me this hand cream. So I really like when, everyone loves when they get free products, but yeah, how cool is that? did not already know, Cuffs and Lashes is a makeup website that sells, you know, pretty affordable makeup. They also have international makeup brands if you want to check them out. And they recently came out with their brushes. I mean, not recently, but yeah, they did come out with their brushes, and they came in this packaging, and it has Cuffs and Lashes written and by Niti Katiyar. I really think, I mean, that woman is amazing. Okay, she runs this website, plus now she makes her own products. She has a YouTube channel, she's a mother, and she takes care of her family. I mean, hats off, boss lady. So I got a couple of brushes from her website. I did want to get some more, but sadly almost all the brushes were out of stock. But as soon as I placed my order, in a couple of days the brushes were restocked. And yeah, I got to know that she'll be coming out with more brushes, so I will be picking them out very soon, because I really enjoyed playing with these brushes. And when I did my 9 days of Navratri, these were the brushes that I used a lot in that entire series. And this concealer brush is superb. I mean, it's really great for blending out your concealer. And this eyeshadow blending brush, I mean, first of all, the brushes are so soft, and the best part is they are all made in India, and they are very affordable. Okay, so brushes are usually so expensive, and if you can buy that generic pack wala brush from Amazon for 300 or 400, but let me tell you, that does break off pretty easily. I mean, the upper ka portion gets separated from the handle of the brush pretty easily, and they shed very easily too. But this one, I've washed these 3 brushes a couple of times, and yeah, nothing, I did not face any issues with it. They did not shed a lot. I really enjoy it, can you tell? So the next 2 things that I got are these Hilary Rhoda eyelashes. And yeah, I don't know if these are the numbers. The number is 5D and 5D16 and 5D23. I wanted to try out false eyelashes because, I mean, to be honest, I have pretty long eyelashes on their own, but I just thought I'll give this a go and just play around with it. And yeah, so I got these 2. And yeah, for the eyelashes, I got this Eurogirl eyelash glue for them. I have tried it 2 times now, and the first time I failed miserably, and the second time I was pretty close to getting it to perfect. So yeah, I think, you know, applying false lashes is really an art, and you have to you know, keep practicing to get it perfect. So I'll keep practicing. And the last thing that I got is a Blue Heaven concealer, and I got this because this concealer, firstly, it's pretty big, and this was just for 150 rupees, and I wanted to review it, and I'll post a separate review for this concealer on my channel maybe in a couple of weeks. So I'm pretty excited for this one, because if 150 rupees mein concealer, I was like, wow. And that too from Blue Heaven. Blue Heaven is pretty easily available everywhere. So yeah, that were all the things that I got from Cuffs and Lashes. Now let us move on to let us talk about Mamaearth. So I got a couple of stuff from Mamaearth's website, and yeah, they were having a buy one get one free wala sale. So first of all, I really like the cardboard packaging on this one. I mean, it's pretty cute. Or else you get a basic brown color wala cardboard packaging, but this is white, and it has, you know, presents drawn all over it. So yeah, I got 2 things from their website. Firstly, I got this Bye Bye Dark Circles cream, and I got the Bye Bye Blemishes face cream with mulberry extract and vitamin C. Okay, so yeah, I got this because I wanted to review this, and I really could use an eye cream. To be honest, I thought that this one would help me, and I just got the face cream because why not? It was buy one get one free, and I thought I'll just try this one out. So next, I got only 2 things from Flipkart. Next, so the first thing that I got is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer, and I've used this 2 times now and I did not like it. I don't know, I mean it's not that great. And yeah, I got this from Flipkart because it's almost out of stock on Nykaa. Plus Flipkart does have really great deals on Wet n Wild, okay? So mostly if you want to get Wet n Wild products, try out Flipkart because they have 50% off on a lot of Wet n Wild products, okay? So you will save your money there. And the next thing, or the second thing that I got from Flipkart was this Sugar Cosmetics blush, and it's in the shade Peach Peak. And yeah, I've used this too a couple of times and I'm wearing it today. It's a very beautiful blush and I really enjoy using this a lot. Okay, so the next thing, it's kind of different for me, because I mean you guys might not know, but I do read books, and yeah, I don't just talk about makeup all the time. Yeah, I am also kind of intelligent, but I don't know a lot of when people see me wearing makeup or just dressing up, they just feel that, I don't know, I just might have a pretty face but I'm dumb. So anyway, off topic. So I got these 2 things from Amazon. I got this book, The Pursuit of Happiness, and yeah, I wanted to read this for a very long time. Plus it was my New Year's resolution to read 10 books this year, and I've read 7 so far, so 3 more to go, and I only have what, 1.5 months left. I hope I'm able to achieve my resolution this year. And the next thing that I got is this cup, okay? It's from, I mean it's this Sip Wala cup. It's stainless steel and it has a steel straw too. And yeah, I don't know why I got this yesterday itself, but I have no clue, but sipping from this straw is really difficult. Like I have to put in a lot of effort to suck the water out. I don't know, I mean I have no other way of explaining this, but I don't know what is with this straw, okay? I did not enjoy it, and I was so excited for this one, okay? I literally told everyone in my house that I got this cup and I'm so excited for it. And yeah, I don't know, I was like, I'll go outside and whenever I want anything, maybe a sugarcane juice or anything, I'll tell them to fill this up in this cup and then I'll sip away. And if I am going out and I'm having, you know, anything from, I usually do not have soft drinks, but just in case I were to have a soft drink, then I'll take my straw with me. I mean, yeah, you can remove this straw and you can take it with you, and I'll use this, but I don't like the straw. The cup is good, and it also comes with a bina hole wala dhakkan, so that it's travel friendly. So that it's travel friendly, and you can you know, put water, coffee, whatever in your cup. I don't like coffee, but I like tea. I like masaledar chai. Okay, so Myntra was having a really huge sale, and I thought I got a couple of presents for my friends because their birthdays were coming up. So, and I also got some things for my mom, and I got some leisure wear, you know, just to lay around the house, because that's what everyone is wearing these days, right? And to be honest, I do not need more clothes in my life. I mean, I have so many already, and I have no place in my wardrobe to store them, and it's just a mess. If I buy anything else, my mom will literally, I mean, she'll go crazy, because I have one wardrobe for my kind of normal-ish clothes, and then I have another wardrobe where I store my bahar jane wale kapde, all those heavy things, and my family has refused to give me more space to store my clothes, okay? So the the last two things that I got from Myntra were not clothes, but I got this face mask because I have run out of face masks, and yeah, I have used quite a lot of them, and I did not buy a face mask in a very long time. It's the green tea clear face pack or face mask, and it's from Plum. The thing that I love the most about Plum is that it's 100% vegan and they are against animal testing. So I've been trying, I should do better, but yeah, I've been trying to go for products that are vegan or that are cruelty free. And the next thing I completely finished up that Jeva Wala aloe vera gel, which I showed you in my skincare that really works products. So that one is so good, and it really calmed up my skin so much. Whenever I had 2 or 3 spots on my face, I would put that, and yeah, the next day they were almost gone. But that is sadly out of stock, and it's always out of stock. It's my favorite. They need to bring it back in stock, please. And so yeah, I just thought I'll give another aloe vera gel a chance. So I got this Wish Care You Wish We Care pure and natural aloe vera gel. So yeah, and I like the packaging on this one. It's pretty good. I hope this one is good too. Okay, so that was my haul from, I don't know, from 5 or 6 different places. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and I got this over the course of 2 months, okay, and I do know my savings, so yeah, just don't get upset that I got a lot of things. And yeah, I just want to say happy Diwali, because I will not be posting a video on Diwali because I don't know, enjoy it with your family, and I don't think anyone will be free to watch my videos during Diwali or on the day of Diwali. So happy Diwali in advance. And Diwali is literally like my favorite festival. Because I love lighting up diyas and all these. I am not a big fan of those lights that you put in. I like the traditional diya wala thing, and I could literally light up diyas everywhere around the house, but that's a fire hazard, so I am not doing that. But yeah, this Diwali will definitely be a bit different, right? I don't know, I don't think I'll be able to celebrate it the way I used to, because we have lost so much in this year, right? So many people, so many loved ones, and this year has just been so crazy. So I don't know, I think, yeah, do celebrate Diwali and do have a good time, but also just for a moment, just think about people we have lost this year, and I don't know, remember them in your prayer. If you enjoyed watching today's video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see a review on any of the things that I got, you can ask me in the comments down below, or DM me on my Instagram, or I'll make a separate video on the particular product, reviewing the particular product. So yeah, that's it. Consider subscribing before you leave, and I will see you in my next one.